ASO is evolving fast. AI now dominates search rankings. User experience drives conversions, and stricter privacy rules limit traditional ad monetization. To stay ahead, developers need smarter strategies. AI-driven ASO is shifting from simple keyword matching to user intent and retention-based rankings. Using AI tools for keyword research and A/B testing can significantly improve conversion rates. User engagement is more important than ever. Apps with high retention and strong interactions get better rankings, while disruptive ads can hurt user experience. Castars DK offers a seamless, ad-free monetization model that enhances retention while generating steady revenue. Privacy regulations are changing monetization. With IDFA restrictions making targeted ads less effective, developers need privacy-compliant solutions. Castar SDK monetizes idle network resources without collecting user data, ensuring a secure and sustainable revenue stream. To succeed in 2025, focus on AI-driven ASO, user retention, and privacy-friendly monetization. Discover Castar SDK today and unlock new growth opportunities for your app.